Miss Chin returned home safely in St. James, according to the police. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police have advised that 46-year-old Jing Shangsheng, otherwise called Miss Chin, of West Village, Montego Bay, St. James, who went missing on Thursday, November the 10th, has returned home. She is reported to be in good health. As a customary, the police advised no details on the circumstances behind the woman's return. Reports from the Mount Salem police were that at about 3 p.m. on Thursday, Miss Chin was last seen boarding a taxi on the Green Pond Main Road in the parish. She could not be located for some time. After that, leading to a missing person report being lodged with the police. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with any more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.